Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. They should be on the third position from the top. Now let's tap on see all 37 apps, of course 37 in my case, and now tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset App Preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching, I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.